This trail is nice because it's got a lot of places to sit, take a break. Part of the trail, there's two ways to go. Straight, take a little loop. We take the loop this morning. There's something cool right in the middle of this trail. We're going to stop when we get there. Think you'll like it. You like historical things, that's why you're watching these videos. Here's one about the brown thrasher. That's the state bird here in Georgia. It says to listen for him thrashing around in the leaves. We don't hear any thrashing this morning. Deer tracks. A loblolly pine. Loblolly pine. Loblolly. What did I say? Loblolly. Sorry guys. Loblolly pine. I can read. Sweet gum. Another marker. Got cardinals. Lots of birds out here this morning. The Christmas fern. Christmas tree, Christmas fern. And there's one in the wild. Several back in here. We're almost to that cool surprise I have for you guys. Almost there. Hang in there. Mark's going to sit for a minute. You want to tell everybody Happy New Year, Mark?
Happy New Year.
So we're about halfway around this trail, and here's the little surprise. You think we're halfway? Over halfway. This is what's left of an old homestead, we were told. I wanted to show you guys this. Here at the holidays, makes you wonder. The family celebrated Christmas here, year after year. Would have probably been built around the early 1800s when the settlers first came here. First day we took this trail, we met Carl's wife. She was walking and told us about the trail and said, don't forget to look at this old stone relic. It's really neat. Fireplace would have been right there. Really neat. So we'll just stop right here, tell everybody Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. Thanks for tagging along in 2022. It's been exciting. We've been getting some really cool comments on the channel. Our ideas for 2023 are awesome. We want to go to Norcross, which we love, and we know we shout out to our friends in Norcross. We'll be up there next year. We've been asked by friends in Lula, Georgia, which is up in the mountains. We've been asked to do a ghost tour there next year, so we'll be studying some of the history of that town, and look forward to that in October. We're going to do some book signings. I've got a comment from a homeschool group, and we may be out doing a little speaking engagement with a homeschool group. Keep you in touch with that. I love the fact that kids can watch our channel and learn some history along the way. Thank you for that, everybody, and we look forward to 2023. Keep watching, because what we're going to do is we're going to throw out to you a little montage of holiday sounds and sights of the season. A little parade, some Christmas stuff. Just sit back and enjoy, and we look forward to bringing you more Histories and Mysteries in 2023, and we'll see you then. Again, thanks again. Happy holidays to all our viewers. Thank you. Hey, hey to the Grinch.
Oh, knocking over.
Hey, Carson. Oh, hey, Mr. Grinch. Did his heart grow?
Yeah.
His heart grew. Well, let's go see what Papa found. Come on, I think there's a train in here. You open the door. Look, there's the train. Carson, come on my hand. Under the tree. Hey, little kitty. Don't scare him off. Hey, little kitty. Hey, little kitty under the tree. Hey. Merry Christmas from Hudson. He is working on some ornaments.
And maybe if I paint one of these, I might give it to one of you guys.
Okay.
Maybe.
It might be for you guys. We got our cool Christmas basket out. Telling everybody Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas from Lincoln. He's doing a fabulous job painting as well.
Yeah. I love you. I hope you like these ornaments.
Aw, why don't you look at the camera when you say that? Link, look up here.
I hope you like these ornaments.
Aw, doing a great job.
Everybody out there, just so you know, don't be mean. Just try to spread the Christmas spirit.
Oh,
Oh,
good words. Good words to live by. Share a little bit of a new little decoration we got just this year. Mrs. Claus and Mr. and Santa Claus, and our Christmas cactus. It's yucky and rainy outside. That's okay, because we're all warm and cozy in here.
like that.
Wave, Kaylee, say hello. Hello, Jesus. Look, Kaylee.